What if I told you, one of these beach wagons works so well, coastal cities are actually banning it? Dramatic pause, and the number 2 pick here, well, lifeguards are secretly buying them in bulk. Pause, smash that like button right now, and let's roll into these game-changing beach haulers. Number 1. Timber Ridge 400L. XTRA Long Wagon, featuring an extended lower shelf measuring 54 inches, perfect for transporting oversized items such as chairs, tents, canopy, and more. High capacity load, constructed with sturdy steel pipes supporting up to 225 pounds per layer, 450 pounds in total, offering ample space with open dimensions of 54-inch LX18-1/2W x34-1/2H, with extended shelf. All-terrain performance, equipped with 7.5-inch diameter all-terrain wheels with brakes, the middle tread is made of rubber, quiet and wear-resistant, 360 degrees rotating front wheels and enable this wagon to maneuver easily. Compact and easy handling, no assembly required, sets up easily by pushing the bottom, collapsible design folds compactly to 15-inch LX7W x35.5H. Adjustable ABS handle, the handle is adjustable up to 2 feet 8 inches and stays within easy reach when not in use and will not fall to the floor. Number 2. Beau Jardin Folding Beach Wagon. The Beau Jardin Folding Beach Wagon, $110, was created with large loads in mind. The wagon has a large, deep compartment that can support up to 350 pounds. There are no dividers or extra compartments, except for a small mesh organization pocket, which could be a bummer for some, but we found it was easier to pile in a lot of gear that way. The wheels on the Beau Jardin are something to write home about. They are 7 in diameter and 4 wide with the rear wheels spread out, and the front 2 are closer together. We found the wheel size and configuration made getting through sand, mud, dirt, and rocks easier. Additionally, the front wheels and handle rotate, which we found especially helpful when steering through trickier terrain. It is worth mentioning that the wheels are advertised as rotating 360 degrees, but we found they only turned about 180 degrees, which is plenty anyway. The front wheels also have reliable brakes to keep the wagon steady when parked on an incline. The Beau Jardin is easy to set up and fold down, but our tester had some troubles before she figured it out. Number 3. Max Sports Heavy Duty All-Terrain Beach Wagon. If you're looking for a no-frills beach wagon with big wheels that can roll over just about everything, look no further than the Max Sports All-Terrain Beach Wagon, $140. This wagon features a big, wide-open center compartment for stashing and hauling your gear without any dividers or extra stuff to get in the way. Just drop your gear in and go. The standout feature of the all-terrain beach wagon is the wheels. The wide, 10-inch diameter plastic wheels performed incredibly well on rough terrain. Not only did we test out this beach wagon at the beach, but we hauled it over rocks and broken down coral covering the sand, and it performed like a beast. It makes sense, given that bigger wheels can more easily roll over obstacles, and the difference was very apparent. The back 2 wheels are spread out, but the front 2 are close together, which makes it easy to navigate tricky terrain while also allowing them to nest between each other when the wagon is folded for transport. We found that the all-terrain wagon was great for hauling heavy coolers as they easily fit in the large, open storage compartment. We also appreciated the 2 front cup holders and an exterior mesh pouch for storing drinks and small essentials. For being a seemingly heavy-duty beach wagon, the 150-pound weight capacity seems a bit on the low side. Number 4. Sekey 220L Collapsible Folding Wagon. The Sekey 220L Collapsible Folding Wagon, $130, is a heavy-duty beach wagon available at a reasonable price. The wagon comes fully assembled, and the quality is immediately apparent. The Sekey features an alloy steel frame, and the 600D Oxford fabric is double-layer, fade-resistant, and has a PVC waterproof coating. Thanks to its hefty construction, the Sekey can hold up to 330 pounds, so you don't have to skimp on packing. The wide, open compartment makes it easy to pack in lots of gear, and the taller sides help keep things from falling out while you're rolling everything down to the beach. There aren't any extra compartments for storing small items, however, except for 2 drink holders in the front. The Sekey has 4 wide 7-inch diameter all-terrain plastic wheels. They aren't as large as some of the other wagons we tested, but they get the job done on a wide range of surfaces and are easier to steer. The coaxial steering made the front wheels easily rotate, which we greatly appreciated for quick turns around rocks and other obstacles. Once you've reached your destination, the wheels have brakes, so you can rest easy knowing your wagon isn't going anywhere. Number 5. Veer All-Terrain Cruiser. If you have young children, you'll love the Veer All-Terrain Cruiser, $699. If a top-of-the-line stroller and a beach wagon had a baby, it would probably look something like this quality model from Veer. It's the highest quality kid-specific beach-capable wagon we've seen, and it's equally useful outside of the beach environment and can just as easily carry your pets or cargo, too. Where most beach wagons have a compartment made from fabric, the all-terrain cruiser incorporates a mix of thick plastic and heavy-duty fabric. The wagon has 2 seats facing each other, each with a plastic seat and plastic mesh seat back. Each seat has a 3-point harness-style seatbelt to secure children while in transit. It's rated to carry 55 pounds per seat, 110 pounds of kid cargo, or up to 250 pounds if you're carrying pets or beach gear. With the all-terrain cruiser, Veer thought of everything. Between the seats is a removable plastic tray for snacks and drinks. Next to each seat are 2 small plastic holders for small items or snacks. There are also 2 drink holders in the front for the adults. The cup holders can be moved to the handle if you want even easier access to your beverage. So, which wagon are you taking to the shore this summer? Pause. All purchase links are waiting in the description. Down arrow, but before you go, crush that subscribe button because next week, we're exposing the beach wagon scam that's costing families hundreds.